Hello everybody, so this is our little summary of the West Coast Swing class we did today. We begin with the idea of making you do a push and a pass, but not doing the same one in a row. So you have to start thinking, how am I going to be creative? So if we go to the middle here, so we thought about, I'm doing a sugar push. Okay, so now my next pattern, I can't do the same one next. Okay, so this is my pass. Now I'm going to do another sugar push. It has to be different. Okay, one-handed sugar push. Here we go. Boom, bah. Now I'm going to do a pass, but not the same one. Okay, let's do one with a roll. But then we took it to another level. We did just sugar pushes and having to play with it and change it. So I'm just doing sugar pushes. Let's do a drape here. Hit her glasses at the same time. I might do, I'm just making things up now. Always doing sugar pushes, and the same for the follow as well. The follower adds in different things each time. So we had some really cool stuff there that Hall was doing. We spoke about lots of things. So let's do now just with passes. So I'm doing my left side pass here. Okay, I do a normal one, but I'm going to add a turn into it. Now I'm going to turn at the start, go around here, and now I'm doing another pass and change it up. Okay, let's do this with a cross step. Nice work there for here. Another one there, and then I might get an idea from her and do another pass with a hitch step there. So we start playing, and you can do this at home by yourself or with somebody else as well. Then we had you swapping hands each time. So if for example, the left side pass, you can change it. You can have this way around, or you can do this way around. Or I can go one hand above, one hand below, double-handed. You've now just expanded your moves just on the left side pass. So we were playing with that. Just do swapping hands each time. When we swap hands, we do not recommend just grabbing the hand and swapping. We can do it more of a cooler way. So if I want to swap hands, I can do a sugar push here and release here. Or I can take this hand for example, drape the hand, swap hands this way. That was nicer. Thank you, Louise. Yes. So that was another way we got you thinking about varying up the patterns. However, it's very important not to become a move monster and only do patterns. This is just one area of West Coast Swing. The other area is to engage with your partner, dance together to the music, stay connected, and we can dance. It's not just patterns, West Coast Swing. Great. And then we looked at how can we now start changing our patterns, making them more dynamic. So we looked at the rock and go, but a variation of the rock and go without the preps. So we did a sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I did a rock and go, triple step, rock and go, triple step, and I can then go to a normal anchor step there. So that started adding some variety, and then we did it on a pass. So we went left side pass, 1, 2, 3 and 4, rock and go, triple step, triple step. Normally I do after a left side pass I would do an underarm turn or something else, but you can't do another left side pass because you have to kind of run around it. I'll show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm here already on the left side of the follow if we rotate here. So for me to do a left side pass, it's going to be really difficult. I'd have to run around and get the follow to do the left side pass that way. So we did those. Very nice. And then we looked at a lot of technique points about this, and we looked at the idea of frame. And then we practiced transferring the weight of our partner, and the frame stays here. There might be a tiny bit of movement, but it doesn't do this before you move. Imagine you have some fruit. You heard that examples many times. And then if I do this, I've dropped the fruit here and I've crushed the fruit here. I have no fruit left for breakfast tomorrow. So it's a shame. So I want my fruit for breakfast tomorrow. So if someone's pushing my arms, I'm going to protect my fruit. Protect my fruit. Protect it, even backwards and forwards. Protect it. I'm not going to bring this. Now the fruit's falling there. I have no more fruit for breakfast tomorrow. So I'm here. So that's how we do it. We keep our frame together. And then if I want to shift her on forwards or backwards, I have to make sure she's on one side committed, and now I shift. I haven't shifted yet. You see, I place my foot, and then I might push from the front foot to come backwards, and so on. I might take that one foot backwards there. So that's the idea of how the rock and go works. So I'm here, I'm going 1, 2, 3 and 4, rock and go. There's a moment where we go backwards and we go against, we can feel this catching here, spring, and it feels so nice. My latest video on my channel, which is coming up in the next few days, is about 5 satisfying moves, and it includes the rock and go. So we're going, because you feel a spring as you do that. So that was what we did there, and then we looked at whips, a parallel whip. Let's do it facing this way around, so we can show you the parallel whip. So we went 1, 2, 3, and a 4. We went to the side here, and then we'll be walking, keeping the weight pitch forwards into compression, and then I might do a triple step. But we added a rock and go here, so we went to 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6, rock and go, rock and go, rock and go, into whatever I want to do here. A lot of stuff to think about there, but yeah. So we spoke about followers as well. On your sugar pushes, allow your arms to be adjustable. Some leaders want your arms to go lower because the leader wants to go for a nice, I'm leading now, to go for a nice, like a curved push, but they can't do it if your hands are fixed, which means they have to do a sugar push up here. So allow your arms to be flexible, and we're going to be compressing against here, followers, and the leader's hands against there for the sugar push. So if I'm following, I'm going and 1, 2, compressing, but make sure you compress first, and then you can choose to bend your arms a little bit. 3 and 4, 5, and so I'm on the wrong foot there. Let's do that again. So and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So as Hard will show us now, we're going to stretch, we're going to compress, and now they say same energy. I'm going to have that magic moment as we're compressing. Lots of things to mention on sugar pushes and so on, but we have other videos on this channel for that. Is there anything else I missed out on this epic video? Fantastic. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you're very welcome to give this a like and to subscribe to this channel, and they'll help you to get notified when videos are available. And in case anyone's interested, I offer private lessons. I do them online as well. I did a video review last week with a gentleman from the USA, and it was fantastic. I loved it. So don't forget, everybody, to enjoy your dancing and to be yourself on the dance floor, because we're all learning at different rates at different parts of our journey. So enjoy it. Thank you.